Rules for agents on Crush Live. If you want to work as an agent on Crush Live, registering, inviting people, and creating a network is not enough. You also need to know the rules to protect your account, take care of your team, and avoid sanctions inside the platform. In this video, we will explain the main rules for keeping an agent account on Crush Live. The idea is to understand which practices you should avoid, which conditions may affect your account status, and why real activity in your network is so important. The link to register as an agent and the link to the complete original guide that this video is based on are in the description of this video. If you are not an agent yet, first complete the agent registration on Crush Live. After that, review these rules to keep your account in good standing. Why the rules are so important? The rules are not a small detail. If you want to build a network inside Crush Live, you must be careful with how you add hosts, how you invite agents, and how you keep your account active. A network can grow with hosts and invited agents, but it can also be affected if the platform conditions are not followed. That is why, before focusing only on growth, it is important to understand which practices can cause warnings, account locks, suspension, or removal from the agent list. Rules to protect your agent account. To keep your agent account on Crush Live, you must take care of your network, respect the platform rules, and avoid practices that may affect other agents. Your agent center may also show notices, requirements, and reminders about your account status. Reviewing that information often helps you stay up to date with the conditions that may apply to your account. Recruiting hosts and invited agents. Agents must not recruit hosts or invited agents who already belong to another agent inside the platform. This rule is important because it protects the organization of networks and avoids conflicts between agents. If a report is verified, the first violation may cause a warning. A second violation may cause account suspension or removal from the agent list. That is why, before trying to link a person, make sure they do not already belong to another agent's network. Hosts leaving your network. A host may leave your network under certain conditions established by Crush Live. In some cases, the agent may approve the host's exit, or the host may request to stop working with the agent. These are some conditions you should keep in mind. If an agent remains inactive for 14 consecutive days, the host may leave the network freely. A host may request removal through the platform's customer service. After joining an agent, the host may have a short period to leave without approval, according to the active rules of the app. Some requests may depend on the host's registration time and the current conditions of Crush Live. This means that keeping an active network also helps protect the relationship with your hosts. Requirements for new agents. Newly created agents may have special requirements during their first 30 days. To keep agent status, the account must meet the activity, earnings, or growth goals indicated by Crush Live. During this stage, it is not a good idea to abandon the account. Review your information, follow up with your team, and confirm whether you have pending requirements. Check your agent center often. Follow up on your team's performance. Confirm whether you need to meet a minimum earnings goal. As a reference, the total number of hosts and invited agents linked to your network may need to be greater than 7. These requirements may be important to keep your agent status inside the app. Invited agents and changes inside the network. If an invited agent wants to leave your network, they may need to cancel their own agent account. By doing this, they may lose the hosts and invited agents they have linked, according to the internal rules of the platform. It may also happen that a host wants to become an invited agent. In that case, it may be recommended for them to create a new account for that process. If they use their current account and then do not meet the requirements within the period indicated by the platform, they could be removed from the agent list and may not automatically return to your network. That is why, before making changes inside a network, it is better to review the current conditions and act carefully. Sanctions for agents. Not following the rules may cause warnings, account lock, suspension, or removal from the agent list. To avoid problems, respect the rules of Crush Live, do not spam, do not take hosts from other agents, and maintain real activity inside your team. If your goal is to build a serious network, the rules must be part of your strategy. Growing without protecting the account can end up affecting your work as an agent. Note: the rules may change inside Crush Live. Always check your agent center, official notices, or the platform's customer service to confirm the most recent information. Frequently asked questions. Can I recruit hosts from another agent? No, agents must not recruit hosts or invited agents who already belong to another agent inside the platform. What happens if an agent becomes inactive? If an agent remains inactive for 14 consecutive days, some hosts may leave the network freely. Do new agents have special requirements? Yes, during the first 30 days, newly created agents may have activity, earnings, or growth requirements indicated by Crush Live. What sanctions can an agent receive? Not following the rules may cause warnings, account lock, suspension, or removal from the agent list. Before you finish, the rules for agents on Crush Live are important to protect your account, take care of your network, and avoid sanctions that may affect your work inside the platform. If you want to build a network with hosts and invited agents, check your agent center often, maintain real activity, and respect the current conditions of Crush Live. The registration link is in the description of this video. The link to the complete original guide is also in the description of this video. If you want to keep learning how Crush Live works for agents, subscribe to the channel. Here you will find more guides about registration, hosts, invited agents, commissions, withdrawals, and tools inside the app.